So, we are back with a brand new video based on a Cold War between two of our world's greatest scientists, Thomas Alva Edison and Nikola Tesla, whose slight change in the consequence would have totally changed the era in which we are currently living. So, as we all know, Edison discovered DC current, whereas in contrast, in order to fix DC current visible drawbacks, Tesla discovered AC current, and the whole fight between Tesla and Edison was based on this competition. Which current is best? Whose discovery is superior? So, let us first understand what is AC and DC current actually, and what is the difference between two. So, the basic difference between DC aka direct current and AC aka alternating current is polarity. In DC current, polarity does not change, while in AC current, the polarity changes after every fixed interval of time. So, what's polarity? Polarity can be basically understood as difference in electric potential which cause the flow of current. So basically I am trying to say that in DC current, the direction of flow of current does not change. It remains fixed. But in the AC, the direction of flow of current changes after a fixed interval of time. All because of the change in polarity. In India, the AC power supply changes direction 100 times in 1 second, but this change is so small that it is almost undetectable by the observer. That's why we observe a steady flow of light in the bulb grown by an AC power supply, even though there is several changes in direction in 1 second. So, after successfully setting up an investor-owned world's first electric utility unit in Pearl Street Station, New York City by Edison on 4th September 1882, Edison became quite rich as his company expanded vigorously. Since at that era of industrialization, many industrialists saw DC electricity as a tool to increase their production. Although at that time, electricity was only used for industrial purposes, that too for flowing bulbs. So, does DC current should be considered best? Actually, everything is best until something more advanced replaces it and serve as its better alternative. Now, in our case, ironically, it was alternative current. The Edison was not ready to accept this change, so this was the main reason of the so-called current war our video is based on. DC current production was very cost-consuming. The energy loss during the production or the supply was also high. And the main problem was that DC current was unable to transfer after every radius of 1000 km. As a result, supply station was needed to be built after every 1000 km in order to ensure the smooth supply of DC current across the industries. Due to these drawbacks, the current was out of the reach of common people. These drawbacks were identified by Tesla, a mechanic working in Edison's company. Tesla, in order to cure DC current faults, invented AC current. He happily took his experiment AC current to Edison. Edison was angry to see something that has the potential of destroying his empire. That too made by a young person of his half age. He angrily fired Tesla from his company. Tesla now began his own company, Tesla Electric and Light Manufacturing, but although it had Tesla's name, it was financed by two businessmen, which later abandoned manufacture. Tesla was now jobless and even had to work as a ditch digger in 1886. Later, George Westinghouse, a successful businessman, hired Tesla's AC current in his company, Westinghouse. At this time, Tesla became quite rich and was paid $2,000 per month. In later 1880s and early 1890s, there was a huge commercial battle fought against Westinghouse and Edison's company, known as the Battle of Current. The result of this war was the victory of AC. Since AC had a lot of advantages over DC. AC was relatively cheaper, the energy loss during the production or the supply was also less, and also it was able to transfer to long distances without building of any power stations like we have to do in DC. Edison, angered after his defeat, even tried to infamous AC current by passing this live current through a prisoner's body in order to demonstrate AC's destructive effect on human body. But as a result of Edison's constant acts to make AC infamous, he was removed from his own company, whose empire had been already strained due to Westinghouse company. Tesla, in order to bring the electricity to the domestic use of a common man, spended all his wealth.
It's due to his own sacrifice and discovery that today electricity is within the reach of common people.